Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, on this gloomy, rainy, gross day, we are going to be installing something very important, something that I can't believe I've put off for this long. It's usually one of the first things that I do to my cars, but today we are going to be installing some rain guards or wind deflectors on the Impreza. Now some of you may be wondering why exactly we're doing this specific mod. Well, the name is in the part, the rain guards. And the basic function of these is if it's raining outside, you can crack your windows and let the fresh air in, because there's nothing worse than driving and it starts raining, and with the humidity and the moisture in the air mixed with your hot air, it creates this like vortex in your cabin and all the windows start fogging up, and then it's just a constant battle of am I cold or am I hot in my car. So what this does is it allows you to crack your windows, let the fresh air in, help circulate everything and make life so much easier. So here we have our working area. As you can see, the car is all wet. What we're gonna need to do is dry everything off. Instead of using a conventional towel, I got something really cool to show you guys. So check this out. Got this little portable fan. It's called the Turbo Dry. My fiance actually got me this for Christmas one year, and it is amazing. And there you have it. One of the coolest gifts I've ever received. This is how I dry my car now, with this little thing. The power, as y'all saw, it just blows everything away. It's so easy with the ceramic coating on there. The water just beads right off. But this little thing is super cool. So if you guys are interested in getting something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. No plug or anything. This is just a gift that my fiance had got me, and I use it literally all the time. So shout out fiance, love you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start removing the weather liner right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our weather guard, and these OEM kits, these Subaru kits, they come with these little clips right here. You're going to put them on these provided ports, clip right in. Now the clips themselves, you're going to want them to be pointing up, because this little hook right here is actually going to sit in the actual channel with the weather stripping. And there we have it, guys. That is the installation complete of some rain guards for your 2024 Plus Subaru Impreza GU. Installation was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It took me about 20 minutes to do both sides. I really like how it turned out. I like how the plastic is actually like a smoked plastic on some older rain guards for other vehicles and other platforms. The plastic itself is actually like a clearish color, so it doesn't really match and blend well with the car, but I like how this OEM Subaru one is a nice smoke finish, ties in the window tint nicely, so it's a nice seamless design. Looks really good. So now with that installed, now we can go ahead and go cruising, crack the windows on a nice rainy, gloomy day like this, and be able to get fresh air. So stylish yet functional. So if you like what you guys saw, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next Subaru video. Peace.